how to launch an AWS EC2 Ubuntu Linux server and connect to the server through Git Bash. First we go to login to the AWS account and click on EC2 AWS Management Console and open EC2 dashboard. So launch instance. So enter a name for your instance, example test. So under application and OS images, so Amazon mission image, you will select like application and OS images. You will select like these are all images: Amazon Linux, Mac, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, and SUSE and Debian. So in this scenario, we will go to the Ubuntu. So select Ubuntu. If required, choose an earlier supported Ubuntu version instead of the latest version. So don't go to the latest version Ubuntu Server 26. You will go to the previous versions like 24.4. Confirm changes. You will select like under instance type, select the appropriate instance type. Like for high performance workloads, choose the M, C or R series. For practice or learning purpose, choose the T series. Example T3 micro, right? It is T3 micro. We have the T2 medium, T2X large. So based upon your performance, like C series, C5A, C5A 8 large. We have multiple types like R series. So in this scenario, we will go to the T3 micro and key pair. In this scenario, we don't have any key pair, just create new key pair. So under key pair login, select an existing key. So in this scenario, we don't have any existing key pair. So click create new key pair if you don't have one, right? So in this scenario, we create new key pair. So RSA encrypted private and public key pair and ED25519. So you go to the like a PEM file. So not PPK file. You will connect through Git Bash. So key pair name. So test key pair name, test key pair. So RSA and .pem and create key pair. So it is downloading test.pem. Okay. So we will test. So network, we are going to the, in this scenario, default network and create security group automatically. So allow SSH. So we are going to the 22 and HTTPS and allow HTTP. So we are not going any HTTPS and just allow SSH connection and defaultly configure 8 GB and GP3 mode, like we have GP general purpose, provisional, hold, throughput, HTTP, magnetic. We have multiple types is there. So we are not selecting any file systems, S3, FCX, EFS, none. So we are mentioned none. So in right side you can see like Ubuntu Server, Ubuntu OS, T3 micro, firewall, new security group and storage, and launch EC2 instance. So successfully initially launch of an instance. You will check. So it is test is running. So launching EC2 server is okay. So we will take like public is IP 54.165.56.49. It is our public IP port. We'll go to the Git Bash. So SSH open pem file cd downloads SSH our pem name test Ubuntu server Ubuntu @ our public IP. Yes. See, our EC2 172.31.47.117. See, this is provided. So same server we can log in. Thanks to all.